Hi everyone. So in this lecture, we are going to go over the compare instructions that are available in RS Logix 500 software. If you go up here on the compare tab, you have a limit test, you have masked comparison for equal, equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, and greater than equal to. So we'll go over most of these and see how they work and try and simulate them using the simulator. We'll make all the changes offline and download all the stuff. So first off, we'll create a rung here. So I can right click, insert a rung. Want to give it edit the title on it, call it PLC training. And we're gonna do the compare instructions as far as the comment goes for the rung. So there you go. We have that. We'll yep. Oh, one more thing. See, I tried compiling. You cannot have a rung without any instruction. It's gonna error out on you like this. So we have to have something in there. So I'm gonna add the limit instruction here. This is where you can add a variable and test your low and high based on that. So you can, I believe you can do this. Let's check it out. Here's what I want to do. I want to use b so we can play integers so we can play with that. So, okay. So low limit, high limit, and the actual value. There you go. We got these three. And I want to add an output based on this. So we'll do a limit output and I can go to B3, find the usage and pick one of the bits. So there you go. That's what we have for the compare instruction. I'm going to name it compare instruction output. Okay. There we go. That's what we have. We'll compile the project, get rid of the errors that we have. Now we want to go back to the compare. I've not used the masked equal, so I'm going to get away from it. Honestly, never had a need to in the last 10 years of my programming. So, but we'll add the rung right after that. Bring that down, do an equal to. So if at any point if these are equal, we want to have an output for that as well, which should be, go to usage and then, oh, I need to add a coil for that first. There we go. And we can drag and drop the coil. Okay, that's what we got now. I want to create a couple. So we can delete the front of it and then use them as we need. Also, on the right side, you can just click on this and change the addresses. So you don't really have to go and drag them from the tree every time you want it. So, okay. There we go. All right. Let's get back. We'll do a not equal here. Then we'll do a less than. We can do a greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Okay. We'll use the same addresses that we have so we can play with all of them as we go through. And you can see all the outputs turn on based on that. So there we go. Okay. That's it. All right. Now I'm going to go download it and we can see all them run with the values that when we can fill the values in the data table and find out how it looks like. So we put the, nope. Nope. I want to do a download. My bad. And put it to run. There we go. Okay. As you can see, a couple of them are on because we have less than equal, greater than equal signs, and the limit signs, everything is 0. So first off, let's go and fill up N3 to be 50 and N1 to be 10. So if you look at this instruction, it's off right now because my test value is at 0 and not between 10 and 50. So if I make it at 10, it's still going to be, now it's equal. If I make it 50, it's equal. 9, it's not equal. And 51, it's not equal. So anything between 10 and 50 will have the compare instruction output on. So there you go. That's for the first of them. Now, as far as the equal goes, if N1 and N7 or N71 and 72 are equal, so if I make it a 10, that's going to be on. Now, not equal, if this is not equal, we make it a 20, it's not equal now, and the bit's on. Now, less than, as long as, in this case, N7 is less than N72, so the bit's on. If I do the greater, if I make this 130, we would have this bit on, and the bit above this went off. Now you can do a less than equal to, which is N71 and N72. So if 1 is less than equal to 2, the bit's going to be on. So if I make it 15, it's going to be on. If I make it 20, it's going to be on. And when I come down and make this one 21, this one's going to be on. So the limit one is one group instruction when you have, if you can't have these two in series, and you can make your own limit instruction if you want, if you don't have a limit. So, but it's better to use the limit unless you want both of the greater, less than equal outputs from it. So that's all we got as far as the compare instructions go in this platform. In the next one, we'll go over the compute and see what all we have there.